How to set up automatic messages on Airbnb. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Setting up automatic messages on Airbnb streamlines communication with guests, ensuring timely and consistent interactions. Here's how to figure this feature. So firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for airbnb.com. Make sure you are logged in and further tap on your profile icon on the top right corner and then select the messages option. In the left-hand menu, tap on the scheduled messages option. Further, tap on the plus new message option you see there and then assign a name to identify the template. You will further be required to write your content, so go ahead and write your message and then use shortcut codes to personalize messages with guest-specific details. You will then have to set the trigger and timing, choose the event that will send the message such as booking confirmed, check-in, or check-out types. You can also set the timing to specify when the message should be sent relative to the trigger event. You can then select the listings to which this message applies, further review the settings and tap on the save button to save the changes that you just made. So this is how you can set up automatic messages on Airbnb. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.